Just received your Osmio Zero. Then let's unpack. Also, please keep in mind we recommend that you keep the packaging box in case of any returns or repairs. You may be asking, what does the package include? In the box you will find 1 Osmio Zero, 2 blanking caps, please keep them spare, and 1 drip tray. Now let's begin our setup. There are only 5 setup steps in total. First, place the system. You need to place it on a flat and stable surface. There are a few important placement guidelines to keep in mind. First, avoid placing the system in direct sunlight as it can promote algae and bacteria growth. Keep the side vents clear for proper airflow. This keeps the cooling system working efficiently. Use a dedicated wall socket for the system. This helps maintain stable and safe operation. Next, we have to fill the water tank. Since everything is already pre-assembled, including the filters, we simply need to remove the protective stickers. Then lift the lid and remove the tank. Fill the raw water tank with tap water up to the max line. It may take a moment. Put the tank back in place. Ensure there are no gaps, and the parts are aligned vertically. Then close the lid. It's time to plug the system in. Take off the safety cap and plug it into the dedicated socket. Now we run the rinse. Place a container under the dispenser to collect the water during the rinse. Here we are using a 2-liter pot. Press the power button until everything lights up. Next, press the wash button next to it. At the back, you will see the water level in the raw tank decrease as the concentrated tank fills. The concentrate tank will continue filling until it is full. The system will then begin to dispense water. You should allow the water to finish dispensing. After the water stops pouring out, you will see the interface light up once again. Continue waiting until the no water text disappears. Allow the system to complete the purification process. Eventually, the system will stop purifying, and the fresh water text will signal. In our final step, we need to refill the tank. But first, let's discard the concentrated water in the tank. Remove the lid and the tank, then discard the water. Remove and empty the water container. We can now attach the drip tray. Return with the raw water tank refilled and put it in place. As soon as the tank is in place, the fresh water text will disappear. Now we wait for the water to finish purifying. All done. The system is ready for use. Now let's use it. We begin by making a well-deserved cup of tea. If you want to use any hot setting, you have to unlock it first. Keep pouring until you are satisfied. Then press on the water dispensing button to stop. Lastly, take a moment to enjoy. Osmio Water Technology thanks you for watching. We hope this video was helpful.